Alright, so this is a bad sign. We got wet spots on the ceiling. That's not good. Let's go check it out, shall we? I don't know what I can do about it right now, but I'm gonna go up there and see. Alright, it appears we got a wet spot in the center of the room. So, would it be coming from straight up somewhere? I don't see anything dripping, per se.
That can't be, that can't be the kitchen. I mean, that can't be the, if this is center of the living room, then it's leaking somewhere over here. Or,
I guess we gotta move some of this stuff. Alright, so here in the attic, I'm following the sound of water. Over here, I kept hearing something drip. There it is. Huh. Crap. Let's shine some light up here, shall we? Yeah. Now I got this flip seal stuff. I don't know if this will work, but anything's worth a shot, right? I don't see any more dripping. Could that have done it? Whoa, that was weird. Did that actually work? Well, it was dripping right here. You can see the little spot where it was dripping. So that's one. I don't know if that's the only one, but that's the one I found. Let me see if I can keep looking. Alright, so check it out. I sprayed some of that Flex Seal stuff up here and it has not dripped since I did it.
And the lights
And we just lost electricity. Now we're in the dark. Hey Jacob, we're in the dark in the attic. What could possibly bad happen? Can you grab this can?
Sure.
And I'll lead us out. We're in the dark. It's like a spooky. Oh, the lights came on! Yay! I was gonna do like a spooky movie thing. Oh, we're in the dark. It's spooky. That's not my flashlight. Oh, wait. What? Don't make it weird. Oh.
Says the guy who says it's not my flashlight.
Listen, this guy is kind of a weird fella. I don't know what his deal is. But, you know, whoever designed this crawl space weren't really thinking about a guy my size crawling out of the space, is all I'm saying.
Tell you what.
you think you might have found it?
Not only did I find it, I fixed it. It's not dripping no more.
Was it dripping in that place where the cardboard was?
We
Or did you
could.
find another spot?
We couldn't find nothing there.
Okay, I covered that up with, it didn't, I mean, I covered that up with cardboard, so the cardboard's gonna get wetter.
If it does it more, yeah. But there's a chance it won't. But if it does, it'll help us find where it's leaking. Here, just set that on the washer. If it does get wet, it'll help us better locate where it's dripping from.
Yeah, but this is gonna have to be, once it's dry, it's going to be fixed to be painted. I mean, it's one thing to have a little spot in Jacob's bathroom. I can't do that. I can't have that in here.
We can repaint that once it dries.
It's around that light socket too. Look at that. Did you notice that?
See that? Y'all see that? We gotta get that fixed. Alright, so here's a chance for the YouTube world to help me out here. What do? Do you just let it dry and then paint it? I mean, if I sprayed that Flex Seal in there and it stopped dripping on it, would that fix it? Let me know.